Hello traders, welcome back to the channel, man. It's your boy Janoy J. I'm here with one more trade summary video where I'm going to break down how I was able to make $3,183 in technically 2 days. Yes, 2 days. So the first trade, $600 and something profit, and then the second trade, which is in the very same stock, $2,539. All right, stay tuned. I'm gonna break down the charts. I'm gonna break down the mindset. I'm gonna break down the entry, the execution, so that you can learn how to do it for yourself. Alright guys, so basically on Nvax I was able to make a quick $3,183 in 2 days. Guys, that's not a lot of work, you know, to be able to set up the trade and just let the trade run, let the trade do what it needs to do and bring you the profit that you need to actually change your situation or just put money in the bank. All right, but in order for us to be able to do that effectively, first we need to be able to read the chart and spot when these opportunities are coming up and when it's a good time to actually put money to work at a low risk entry with high probability so that we can make a significant profit. All right, so guys, when we look at the chart, Nvax, these guys, they're also in the, what you call it, the vaccine race. So there are one company that does work on biotech, and they're also developing a vaccine to, you know, foster or treat kids from, well, I want to say 5 to 12 years old, or people that are typically under the age of 18 years old. So that's what they're doing. But the reason why I took the trade didn't have anything to do with the vaccine. It didn't have anything to really do with the news. I 100% look at the chart, and the chart will tell me what is a good place, where is the low risk entry, where is the areas that people are looking to take profit. And because I'm able to read that, you know, I was able to jump into this stock and pull out a, say, pretty good profit for 2 days worth of work. All right, so let's jump into it. When we look at the stock, you know, I didn't look way back down here. Not really. I didn't zoom out, but you know, I saw that the stock was in a very, very strong uptrend, at least up until August 1st. And then what I observed is that we can see that the market made an all-time high, and then from there we had the first lower high, which is an indicator that price no longer wants to go higher. Also, we can look at this and call it a quick bear flag, and from there, man, price broke down back into the support. It tries to rally again. We got another lower high, price breakdown. We can also call this area like somewhat of a bear flag again. We broke back down. Now we take the support, and price continued to go high, to go lower. All right, we found some support here, quick bounce, run up, pull back, and here we had a very nice M pattern, quick two tap. Now someone will wonder, how did I able to spot an opportunity inside here? So when I look at the overall chart, I saw that the stock had a very nice run, and from there someone would call this a falling wedge in a way, but price pulled back. It started to find a horizontal support, and it also, you know, was running into this very, very tight wedge. The wedge is not the reason why I took the trade. The reason why I took the trade was I see the support that price just could not break below that support, and then I saw that price bounce pull back into the support, it bounced again, and guys, inside here, this is where things got interesting. I saw we had a small bull flag pattern in here. When I snap this line, let me adjust it just a little bit so that we have, so we can be a little bit more precise, because we want our lines to be matching up as close as possible, right? So we see we had the nice little bull flag here, pull back right at the resistance, which is the downtrending resistance. Then we had the first day of the breakout. Now, I didn't see the stock on the very first day of the breakout, which was this day here. I didn't see that day. The day, I think I saw it the day when we had the doji, but I wasn't ready yet because the chart wasn't telling me that, hey, the price action is going to move as yet. But the doji was very important because I knew as soon as we break out of this horizontal level right here, then price is gonna go higher. All right, so the day that I actually got in was this day when we had the breakout, and this day was November 25th, the day before Thanksgiving. I think that was a Wednesday. So I saw the breakout, I took a position on the breakout, and then the market was closed on Thanksgiving Day. So I had to wait until, what was that? I don't even remember, but I had to wait till the next day. After that, the market opened the next day, guys, and this thing was just up so powerful that I'm like, man, this is a very big move. It is the move that I was anticipating, yes, because I saw that we have the resistance all the way up here. So if we don't get to the resistance, we're gonna look to come back somewhere into the retracement zone. All right, and price gapped up the first day, and I took some profit because we got right into this horizontal level, and I wasn't really thinking that, hey, at least I don't know what's gonna happen next. So I took some of the profit, and that was the day I took the 2,500 off the table. So price gapped up, I took the 2,500 off the table, and then the next day I saw that the stock opened lower. This thing was down like 11 bucks, and I'm like, man, I'm so happy. I closed it out because that was looking like a reversal pre-market. But then, as you can see, price opened lower, and then price started to get bought back up. So when that happened, I went in and I took another position, right? And with this position, I actually, you can see NVAC, I took a position using some call options out in March, about 3 contract, 14,000 for the whole trade. And this thing, it was up pretty good. Let's go back to the chart and see, what happened and where I went wrong, basically. So yes, we were up really nicely this day because I got back in when price broke above the next candlestick, and then from there price run up, price closed higher. That position was up like 1,700. Now the following day price opened higher, and guys, what happened? Price immediately started to sell off. So right around here, I knew that was a reversal, because just like down here when we have price open lower and started to get bought back up, which tells me that price is gonna go higher. Now we have the opposite happen the following day, which means that now we open higher, we immediately start to sell off. This tells me that this is a reversal. So I got out with $600 profit, which all nets together to a quick $3,183 profit. $2,500 and a couple of dollars plus $600 and around $14 something there. Quick net profit. How many days work? We got in 1 day here. We were in this trade next day, that's 2 days, and then we were in this trade another day. So it's around three days, 4 days tops. So yeah, I just wanted to break it down and share with you guys how you can read the charts and see the opportunity and know when to get in. All right, so what else could I have, analyze about this to make some more profit on it? Well, the only thing I'd say, basically is that when it got to the resistance level here, which is a short term, I'm thinking about it. I'm like, well, maybe I shouldn't have, give these levels so much emphasis as, thinking that price would have sold off, because on this side, this was, what price was doing on this side. All right, while we were in the triangle, given that price has broken out of the triangle, yes, we still have to respect this level, but I do feel like I could have at least allowed the trade to run some more and just close the trade out on this day before the market closed. I think when I analyze the trade and I look back, that's the only thing I think I really, could have done a little bit better. And it's always important whenever you take a trade, whether you win or you learn, it's never a loss. You always learn something that, you should not do again in the future. Whether you win or you learn, it's very important that you come back, you look at the price action, you look at the chart, you try to think about what you were thinking when you took the trade, or you go back to your trade journal where you're lodging all the details of why you entered the trade, why you closed the trade out, and then you revised everything that you did, looking at the chart, looking at how things played out. And then, guys, those are pretty much a pro tip to help you get better and sharpen your skills, a lot more as you continue on your trade journey. All right, so that was a quick profit from right around the Thanksgiving period. I do have some more that I need to break down, been jammed a little bit. But if you like this video, you found some value inside this video, guys, I'm asking you, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of this value that I'm trying to bring to you. All right, if you want to follow me to see some stuff that I do daily, some chart that I put out, an analysis, show you guys what's going on, you can follow me at Trading the Charts Pro Community on Facebook. All right, until then, guys, I look forward to see you in my next video.